In this tutorial, we'll dive into the structure of a MongoDB database and uncover how it stores data in a flexible, document-oriented way. MongoDB database is designed to store data securely while organizing related information into logical groups. It also allows you to create and manage multiple databases within a single system. For example, you could have a database named user DB that contains all the information related to your application's users. MongoDB collections store groups of related documents within a database. Unlike traditional tables, collections have a flexible schema, which allows documents to have different structures. For example, a collection named users can store all user-related data, even if each document has slightly different fields. MongoDB documents represent a single data record within a collection. They are stored in a JSON-like format called BSON, binary JSON, which allows for efficient storage and retrieval. One of the key advantages is that documents can have varying structures, meaning not all documents need the same fields. For example, a document can look like this: a user with the name Ethan and age 30. Let's create a MongoDB database called SchoolDB and a collection named Students to store student information. This will help us organize and manage our data efficiently. After creating the database and collection, you can insert a document into the students collection. This document represents a student named Sam, including details like age, course, and skills. MongoDB stores this data in a flexible BSON format, allowing fields like skills to be an array. Add data as a JSON-like BSON document with the name Sam, age 25, course Computer Science, and skills JavaScript and HTML. You can see that the document has been inserted into the SchoolDB database. Add another document with the name George, age 22, course Data Science, and skills are in Python. This command adds a new document to the students collection. Notice how the skills field is stored as an array, allowing multiple values like R in Python. Add a final document with the name James, age 45, course Web Development, and skills HTML and CSS. This adds another document to the students collection. Now the collection has 3 student records: Sam, George, and James, each with their own details and skill arrays. The SchoolDB database's students collection now has 3 documents. This command will display all 3 student documents showing their name, age, course, and skills. You can update any document in the students collection by clicking on Edit in the MongoDB interface or by using an update command. This allows you to change fields like the student's name or age, or add new skills to the skills array. For example, you could update age to 22 and add Java as an additional skill, ensuring the document reflects the most current information. This flexibility is one of the key advantages of MongoDB's document-based structure. To add another collection in the SchoolDB database, click on Create Collection and give it a name, such as Courses. This new collection can store course-related documents, allowing you to organize information separately from the students' collection. Each document in the courses collection can include details like the course name, instructor, duration, and other relevant information, taking advantage of MongoDB's flexible, schema-less structure. First, add a document to the courses collection with the following details: course ID CS100, title Computer Science, duration 4 months, and instructor Dr. Smith. This document represents a single course and will be stored in a flexible BSON format, allowing you to easily add more courses later. Next, add another document to the courses collection with course ID CS101, title Data Science, duration 8 months, and instructor Dr. George. This adds a second course to your collection, allowing you to store multiple courses in the SchoolDB database. Finally, add the last course to the courses collection with course ID CS102, title Web Development, duration 12 months, and instructor Dr. McDonald. This completes the initial setup of the courses collection, giving you 3 course documents in total. You can click Edit on the courses collection document to update its details. For example, you might change the title of the first course from Computer Science to Intro to Computer Science to better reflect the content. MongoDB's flexible document structure allows you to make such changes easily without affecting other documents in the collection. You can also update the duration of a course in the courses collection. For example, you might change the first course's duration from 4 months to 4 weeks to reflect a shorter program. MongoDB allows you to easily modify any field in a document without affecting other documents, giving you full flexibility to keep your data accurate and up to date. To export a MongoDB collection to your local system, you can use the Mongo Export tool, which comes with MongoDB. This allows you to save the data in JSON or CSV format for backup or analysis. You have successfully created and structured your MongoDB database. The school DB now contains 2 collections, students and courses, with multiple documents in each. You've added, updated, and explored data, and you even learned how to export the collections locally. This complete process gives you a solid foundation for managing and organizing data in MongoDB using its flexible, document-based structure.